Good night, everybody. I had to do this video. I really have to pick up the Island-wide Express team. I have been through many shipping companies, right? And everybody started off doing good. They started off with, we offer free delivery, to, oh, delivery now come at a cost, to, we no longer offer delivery. You have to come in office for your packages. Then you have to go in office and stand up in their long lines to be processed, just waiting on your packages, right? And naturally, I was just losing faith in this online shopping thing because I couldn't be bothered with the constant lines and the inconvenience of shipping things to Jamaica. And like most Jamaicans, you know, I always have to call up one friend and say, you know, nobody will come down can carry one package to me. And you always have to deal with the, no, you know, I don't really know nobody. I don't really want to carry nothing in my suitcase because my suitcase is overweight as it is. Fine. All of those problems that I had was resolved when I found Island-wide Express. May I tell you, so the people them are shot. It's Sunday and I just received my package. Yeah? The delivery guy was very courteous. When he called me and asked me today, well, I called him first and asked and let him know that I have an appointment for tomorrow and I really wanted the package. He asked me what time tomorrow, if it was tomorrow that I wanted it. Because I was telling him I needed it tomorrow before 12. And he said, if it's urgent, I can bring it come Sunday. Sunday? I said, of course, when I take it Sunday. And guess what? It's Sunday night now. I don't know if I can see the clock behind me. But him deliver my package and I'm just so happy and so elated. I really decided that I had to tell the team a big thank you. So thank you again, the team at Island-wide Express. A team you can depend on. A company that you should always go with.